What's up, Market Maker YouTube family? Guys, this is a late Friday night, early Saturday morning update, but I wanted to show you the beautiful pattern I unveiled back in August, the Black Widow Gartley, Bitcoin's final test. If it can flip 57, you could see new highs in a new bull cycle for Bitcoin. But guys, Bitcoin's got a lot going against it. This is the Black Widow Gartley. This is a huge macro pattern from the market high of 65K to the market low of 28,790. I gave you this pattern back in August when price action was somewhere over here. Validated point B, point C. I told you like a week ago in my last video, 4 or 5 days ago, I said, I don't see price action getting up here. And what's happened since then? Parabolic pumps, institutional pumps, a lot of it artificial, but it doesn't matter. The price is where it's at and it's up here. I cannot imagine they pumped it to 55 without coming to try the Black Widow Gartley. I'm so happy about this pattern, guys, because this can be an awesome shorting opportunity for anybody that takes this trade that I gave you back in August. This pattern made its round on YouTube. This pattern got two of the biggest YouTubers to comment on my comment section saying bear market hopium back when I unveiled it, and look where we are. Right now YouTube is updating all of their thumbnails, 70K incoming, my price targets, $2 VET, $35 XRP, 200K Bitcoin. Guys, all of that is possible, but they don't understand counter trend patterns. They don't understand the power of these patterns. And just to remind you, my friends, just to remind you what happened last time at the market top when everybody was telling me I didn't know what I was talking about, I gave you the Black Widow butterfly at the same area of the corrective market golden pocket. And what happened? Bitcoin dumped 20%. I gave you the black swan. We traded it in our room, 17.5% dump. Guys, these patterns have a lot of power, and this is the Gartley pattern, the godfather pattern of X5 pattern trading. If you guys like patterns like this, if you want to learn how to pattern trade with X5 patterns, harmonic patterns, we have the place to be in our Discord with our trade signals room, my friends. Over 1,000 people joined in September alone. We started in June with 5 people. Download Discord, check out the link in the video description. Come make money and learn how to trade patterns. We can make you traders. We have the education and we have a fantastic community there. So check us out, my friends. Let's jump into the TA. Guys, just for aesthetics, let's turn on the gamma calculations here for this pattern so you can really appreciate the beauty of this thing. Look at the buying and selling action here in the LMF filter and look where we're at. I mean, it's just really amazing when you go back and look at my videos that I gave you this pattern down here. Okay, this is such a huge pattern. I really expect severe retracement from this pattern. And where could this go? Well, the most commonly retraced to fib is the 618. But guys, for anybody that's new who hasn't been watching this channel, this is a counter trend pattern. Price moves from X to A, up to B, down to C, up to D. When it reaches the PRZ at point D, you're going to see price reverse. And as it starts to drop, most commonly retraced to fib is a 618. That's at 39,652. And again, the ultimate target for this pattern would be down at the 1618 at 11K Bitcoin, my friends. Now, this is a gigantic macro structure. You're going to have pumps and dumps all along the way. That is a target. That is not a guarantee the price would get down there. You'll have new patterns form and you will have pumps. And at any point, the market structure could change and you could go bullish. But that is the price target down there at around 11K Bitcoin in this massive Gartley. Okay, this is a bearish Black Widow Gartley. This is Bitcoin's final test. Let's look at some patterns that are currently at play. So what are we trading right now in our room? Right now, we are in this crab trade, okay? So again, look where we're at. Corrective market, golden pocket, just like before with the Black Widow butterfly that dropped the market twice, okay? This is where we're at right now, and we are trading in this range. We gave this pattern to our room days ago. We have about a 5.5% market drop, but this is underperforming, okay? This has not met any of the fib targets, but it is a nice drop. If you use 5x leverage, you're up 25% on your money. You use 10x, you're up 50% on your money. And you can easily get price targets here. We're just going to pull point A to D on this crab. And you can see that this hasn't even reached the first fib, okay? So price could just keep descending. But guys, again, they did not institutionally, artificially pump this back up. And you can see it's artificial when you put on your relative volume. Look at these single naked candles, these single naked bars. They pump this thing up. They want to try that 57. I know it. That's why I'm making this video again as a reminder of that Gartley pattern, because once they try it, I think you're going to see price severely retrace and have a market correction. So for right now, we're just consolidating between, again, support of 54.1 and resistance of 55.3. We may just keep spilling down, but I don't think so, guys. I think we're going up after a little bit of time period here. Let's go out to a larger time frame. A month ago, I gave you this pattern, my friends. I gave you for the daily pattern. I said, hey, these two green triangles, this is a bullish pattern. I said this could end up being a Gartley, it could end up being a bat, or it could end up being a cipher. As you guys know, we fell to 39.5, and again, for the bullish pattern, you're moving X to A to B, and we got to 39.5, not deep enough for a Gartley, and we start to pump back up. So it was a bat at that point. And I told you I did not know if we are at point C still or not. And of course, we kept pumping now out of the bat. So we are in that third option, the cipher pattern. And the cipher can go up. It can go up to 59,549, my friends. And guess what? That Black Widow Gartley validates at 57,251. So what you could see happen is a confluence of patterns. Patterns move from one pattern to another. If that Gartley kicks in and you start to descend, and I redrew this with current price action so you can see it, but I want to show you this. This is a bullish pattern that would take you down to 34K. At 34K, you could start moving back up, okay? And you have some price targets, but let's look at the one with the current price action. So again, your cipher pattern. You go X to A to B to C to D, and right now C is at 55,954, and this can come up some more, validate that Gartley, and start dumping. You can see it is checking off all the boxes beautifully. Get down to 34,606, guys. Our price targets moving up could be to 618 at 48K. That's beneath the golden pocket. But guys, if you keep moving up, just like how the Black Widow Gartley has that 1618 extension at 11K, this has the 1618 at 69K Bitcoin, guys. So there's some good news here, because if that Black Widow Gartley knocks you down and you happen to retrace down to this 34.5 level, you are in this bullish cipher. And if you're in this bullish cipher, my friends, that means your market bottom would not be that 11K number. You could end up in this massive daily structure with the bottom of Bitcoin at 34.6 before the next turn of the bull cycle. So that is good news. Bad news up front, potential good news after that pattern validates and knocks price down. But it is the best news for traders, because we love price action, my friends. This is how you trade and make money in this market with X5 patterns. Guys, let's do a health check again, as always, on the market. Man, for having 55K Bitcoin, you would expect the longs to do something like this, wouldn't you? No, they are dumping. I'm telling you, we are near a market top. That 57K with the Gartley is going to knock the price down. That is my prediction. You could see some spillover to 58, 59 before it jacks down. But guys, look at the longs, look at the market sentiment, look what's happening in the marketplace. And again, the shorts, they're starting to come up. They're a lot flatter, but the longs are dumping and dumping hard. Guys, check out our room if you love patterns like this. This is what we do. Professional pattern traders, this is what we do every day with professional market intelligence, on-chain data, multiple subscription services. Check out the link in the video description for our Discord. And as always, check out BitGet. That link is in our video description. $630 in bonuses, no KYC, no VPN. Guys, watch this pattern this weekend. This is going to be a lot of fun. Have a great weekend with your friends and family. Another update coming soon.